Hi, this is Jason with AllTech Services. Today we're going to discuss humidifier services, particularly on this flow-through powered humidifier that you might find in your home. With the cold winter months, with it comes dryness. These things can lead to static shock, to your floorboards splitting, to bloody noses, and all sorts of other unpleasantries. So what we're going to do, what we include in our services would be replacing your humidifier pad right here. Set this aside. So what we're going to do is take out the distribution and scale tray. We're going to replace this pad, do a thorough cleaning of our assembly here, as well as the humidifier itself. Normally you wouldn't find a humidifier mounted to your furnace. We have this in our training lab here. But also included would be replacing up to 10 feet of the vinyl tubing that comes with it, making sure everything is draining properly. And we're also going to replace the orifice that acts kind of like the gas pedal. So that little orifice here regulates water flow to the humidifier so we can help prevent flooding and provide efficient operation of your system. Once we're done cleaning and reassembling the unit, we're then going to reset any maintenance reminders, test operation, make sure there's no leaks, and that you have a very comfortable winter. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
AllTech Services. The best techs are AllTechs.